Welcome back to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to uninstall app on Windows 11 so you can easily remove programs you don't need. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. If you don't see it, type Settings in the search bar to find it quickly. This is where you control your system settings. Step 2, in Settings, click Apps from the left menu. This section lists all your installed programs and lets you manage them easily. Step 3, click Installed Apps at the top and wait for the list to load. This ensures you can see all the apps currently on your device. Step 4, find the app you want to remove by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. This helps you locate it quickly without wasting time. Step 5, click the 3 dots next to the app and select Uninstall. These dots give you quick options for managing the app, including removing it completely. Step 6. Press Uninstall again to confirm and follow any additional prompts if needed. Some apps may ask for extra confirmation before fully uninstalling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy Windows 11 tutorials and tips.